Silas, the marvelous producer.
Welcome back to Tea with Ree. Today I'm going to be making an aloe vera and turmeric face mask, and I'm excited because my best friend gave me a big piece of an aloe vera plant. So that's why I decided to do this with you guys today. You know, the corona is keeping us in the house. So what better thing to do than to take care of yourself while you have to be in the house? You know what I mean? Don't go bored and don't let it drive you crazy. Please don't. Ground turmeric. I've used it before when I've made a shea butter, honey, and turmeric face mask. So it's perfectly fine to use on your face. And I also have my aloe vera plant piece, this big piece right here.
Ma bouquet. Ma bouquet.
As you guys can see, this is very slimy business. Aloe vera plant is very slimy, So you guys need to be prepared for that whenever you decide to use it. I honestly plan to use this for both my face and my hair because you don't need that much of it to use on your face. Because I mean, look, it's just because look, it's still a good, it's a lot, like it's a lot. And I didn't even take everything, I didn't even take all of the this tin out the plants. So I'm still gonna take the rest out of it, but I didn't want to make the video too long doing all that. I gotta keep rubbing my chin in because it's very slimy and it keeps trying to drip and stuff. So be prepared for the sliminess. But turmeric is very good. Turmeric is very good for lighting your skin up, especially lighting dark spots up. And aloe vera is mainly good for moisturizing, and it can help reduce inflammation a bit when you have pimples or whatever. I currently don't right now, so I won't see any results from that. Alright everyone, I am back. So what I did was I let the mask sit on my face for 10 to 15 minutes. One thing that I liked about it was the fact that I felt like the aloe vera was soaking into my skin as minutes passed by, because my face didn't feel as sticky. And it's kind of like I really only saw the turmeric at some point. It just looked like all I had was turmeric on my face, but I did have the aloe vera as well. So I think that's really good when you know that your skin is soaking that up. That's amazing. So I really feel like my skin, it feels moisturized and it's very glowy. It's very glowy. I haven't done anything to it since I got out the shower. So I wanted to let you guys know that it feels really great. It feels great, and I have sensitive skin, so I just want you guys to know it didn't irritate my skin in any shape or form. It didn't irritate my skin. I'm used to my skin getting irritated with everything I use, but I switched my whole skincare routine up. Don't worry, I'm gonna get to you guys with that. I will be using some of this on my hair, possibly as soon as I take this out, which will be like tomorrow or something, I don't know. And I'm also thinking about using this on my face every day. I know you guys saw like the aloe vera chunks in it. I was going to deal with that later. I'm gonna probably put it in my blender and really just have everything blended together. I love aloe vera because you can use it for so many things. I can use this with the turmeric in it to wash my hair if I wanted to, you know. And I've heard that when people use masks with turmeric in it, that like when they've used it every single day, I've seen videos or something where when they use it for like a week or 30 days or something, their spots clear up. I don't know. But that's why I'm thinking about using it every day, because, honey, what else do I have to do? You know what I'm saying? What else could I possibly do during this corona? What else could I possibly do than to take care of myself? So, yes, make sure you're taking care of yourself during this very hard time. Don't drive yourself crazy. I get, like, when I tell you, my mind will go crazy if I'm not doing anything for too long. So I'm probably going to be making a whole bunch of videos. Well, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like it. I want you guys to comment and tell me if you try it out. I want to know what you guys think of it. I honestly don't know where you can get aloe vera plant from. Sorry, I can't help you there, but you can get turmeric almost anywhere. My friend was the one that got me the aloe vera plant. Like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for what's next on Tea with Ree.